Meaning of heart-searching.
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 Heart-searching. Heart-searching refers to a process of deep and honest introspection, where an individual examines their own thoughts, feelings, and behaviors in order to gain self-awareness and understanding. This can be a difficult and challenging process, as it may require confronting uncomfortable truths and facing personal flaws and insecurities. The result of heart-searching is often a greater sense of self-awareness, improved emotional intelligence, and a greater understanding of one's own motivations and values. It can also lead to personal growth and the ability to make more meaningful connections with others.